What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Axel Rose, the Shogun with the slogan. And if you don't know where it's been, you don't know where it's going. And today, I am here with a special video. As you can see, we are inside Dragon Sword, the luxurious Dragon Sword vehicle. And I don't really believe in doing video games unboxings because as gamers, I know that you are going to get your hands on the game yourself. And I know that you are going to really enjoy it. So I'm really excited, people. As you can see, I've got this stunner shades on. But anyway, without much of ado, I'm going to get into this unboxing really quickly because I'm not going to lie, I want to get down to the game and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, gamers. You know what I'm saying? So, because I know you guys are going to get this game anyway, there's no point really doing an unboxing really, but I thought because this is a very special game to members of the fighting game community, and just, oh god, I'm so dark you can't even see me right here in these gaming streets, you know. I should take off the shades so you can see my eyes, but anyway, alright, let me just say, let's see what we got here. Oh yes, people, oh yes, it's official. We have Street Fighter 5, but we don't just have it once, we also have it double flat. So yes, people, unboxing video of Street Fighter 5, which features no unboxing. Oh no, people, I kind of just, you know, I had to show you that I have this game right now because this game is immense. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to make me rage, do you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's going to do what great video games do and last a long time in the fighting game community. So yes, there you have it, people. Street Fighter 5, it is out. Do you know what I'm saying? Got a couple of copies of this, do you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be giving away one of these to the subs to my site already. So yeah, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Leave answers in the comments. I feel like to set you guys some kind of question in order to get this game, but yeah, Street Fighter 5, man, it's here. Oh, well, for me it's here. For you guys, it's not here yet. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited about this game just being out and just having it and stuff. So yeah, man, Street Fighter 5. It's upon us, people. It is upon us. Well, it's upon me at this moment in time. But hopefully, one day soon, it shall be upon you. You know what I'm saying? So, Street Fighter 5. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing else that I can say about Street Fighter 5. Make sure you add me online if you're already subbed to the channel. But yes, people, that's enough. You know, right now I've got to get a move on and get to what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, you really cannot see my face. Let me take off my glasses. So, yes, it is still me up in the car. But yes, people, you know what? I'm actually going to indulge. The video's done, but for the real gamers, for the real people who'd like to see a nice car, let me just show you. I'm going to introduce you to Dragon Sword. Oh, interior of the gods. Look at this. Interior of the gods. Interior of the gods. Can't even show it to you properly because I'm not knowing my cameraman skills using this iPad. This is absolutely ridiculous. But yes, people, Street Fighter 5 is upon us, and I can't wait until we all playing and stuff like that. Not realistically, you know what I'm saying? Street Fighter 5, man. It's not good, man. I'm not gonna lie, I've been waiting for this, man. It's a great moment, you know what I'm saying? So, let me give you one more look at the TT. Oh no, son! Look at them 4 rings! Yeah, I just gave you guys a look at the 4 rings and stuff like that. So yeah, 4 rings, Street Fighter 5. Today was a good day. Boom, boom, bow, 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 bow. Who the hell was that just drove past me? Oh, yeah. Yeah, shout outs to my boy from Computer Exchange, who I just met today, by the way. Shout outs to Ricky from Sony. Shout outs to the rest of MMG. And yeah, Street Fighter 5. It's upon us.